Hey, what's up everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, but we're not just talking about buying low and selling high. We're on the hunt for hidden gems, those strategies that can actually put crypto to work for you, building you passive income streams so you can earn even while you sleep. If you're looking to boost your income with crypto, you won't want to miss these 5 unique ideas. These are strategies that many people outside the crypto space don't even know exist, so buckle up because things are about to get interesting. Alright, let's kick things off with a strategy called staking. Essentially, you're locking up or staking your cryptocurrency to help support the security and operations of a blockchain network. By staking your coins, you're essentially pledging your confidence in the network. And in exchange for your service, guess what? You get rewarded. It's like getting paid rent on that digital property you own. The rewards you earn from staking can vary depending on the specific cryptocurrency and the amount you stake. It's a great way to earn passive income on your crypto holdings, instead of just letting them sit idle in your digital wallet. Just remember, like any investment, it's essential to do your research and choose cryptocurrencies with a solid track record and a promising future. We'll dive deeper into choosing the right staking opportunities later on. Now let's crank things up a notch and talk about yield farming. Imagine taking your crypto and putting it to work in a decentralized finance or DeFi protocol to earn even higher returns than traditional staking. That's yield farming in a nutshell. Think of DeFi protocols like a giant decentralized financial ecosystem. With yield farming, you're essentially lending out your cryptocurrency to these protocols. These protocols then use your crypto to facilitate their operations, and in return, they pay you interest or other rewards. It's like becoming a lender in the crypto world. And just like a bank would pay you interest on your savings, DeFi protocols reward you for providing liquidity. The higher the demand for your crypto, the higher the potential returns. Now it's important to note that yield farming comes with its own set of risks. The crypto market is known for its volatility, and DeFi protocols are still relatively new. Okay, let's move on to another fascinating way to earn passive income with your crypto lending. Crypto lending platforms allow you to lend out your crypto assets to borrowers and earn interest on your holdings. It's like being your own little crypto bank. These platforms act as intermediaries, connecting borrowers with lenders and facilitating the entire lending process securely. Some borrowers might need crypto for trading purposes, while others might need it to cover short-term expenses. Whatever the reason, you, as the lender, benefit from the interest payments. The interest rates offered on crypto lending platforms can be significantly higher than those offered by traditional financial institutions. Of course, as with any type of lending, there are risks involved. It's essential to choose reputable crypto lending platforms and to diversify your lending portfolio to mitigate risk. Now, who doesn't love free stuff? Let's talk about airdrops, a fun and potentially lucrative way to earn free crypto. Imagine getting rewarded simply for being part of a crypto project's community. That's what airdrops are all about. Essentially, airdrops are free distributions of a cryptocurrency or token to a specific group of people, usually existing holders of a particular blockchain's native token. Think of it like a promotional giveaway designed to generate buzz and expand the project's reach. New crypto projects often use airdrops to raise awareness and attract new users. Just be wary of scams. Make sure to do your research and only participate in airdrops from legitimate projects. Alright, let's wrap things up with a more advanced strategy: running a masternode. Think of a masternode as a super-powered, dedicated server that helps validate transactions and maintain the security of a blockchain network. To run a masternode, you typically need to hold a significant amount of the cryptocurrency associated with the blockchain you want to support. This is known as a node collateral and acts as a financial incentive for you to act in the best interest of the network. In return for your investment and technical expertise, you get rewarded with a share of the block rewards. These rewards can be substantial, especially for blockchains with high transaction volumes. If you're tech-savvy and have the resources, running a masternode can be a great way to support a blockchain you believe in and earn passive income in the process. It's like owning a piece of the blockchain infrastructure and reaping the rewards. There you have it, 5 crypto income ideas you might not have known about. From staking and yield farming to crypto lending, airdrops, and masternodes, there are plenty of opportunities to put your crypto to work and generate passive income. Remember, the crypto world is constantly evolving, so stay curious, do your research, and never stop learning. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto tips and tricks. And as always, I'm curious to hear from you. Drop a comment below if you have any other unique crypto income ideas to share. Let's keep the conversation going and help each other build wealth in the exciting world of cryptocurrency. Until next time.